In this video, we talk about how to make lesson plans and assignments fit the way you homeschool. BJU Press has designed the curriculum to be used in all styles of learning, from the independent student who needs a challenge to the struggling learner who needs extra reinforcement. You, as the facilitator, have options. You can use the course as it's laid out for you in the lesson plans and dashboard, or you can adapt them to fit into your homeschool plans. Here we are looking at Heritage Studies 12 in the course overview. On Chapter 1, Day 2 in Government, the assignment was given to begin the work on the Voter Guide project. In this lesson, I want to add a comment to the project. Since this is a local election year, I want the student to focus on our local, state, county, and city elections. This is an example of how we can create and add to the lesson plans to fit our homeschool needs. Here on Day 115, on the Economics Essay number 3, we are going to skip this written essay. I'm adding an assignment to simply discuss this together on that day. Skipping lessons can be done from any view. From the dashboard, we can see the skip link from the expanded view on Pre-Cal for this day. This allows you the flexibility to tailor the course to your students' needs. On the Hub, all lessons for the course can be viewed from the course overview. Here we begin in the Courses tab. Clicking on the details of a course, we are taken to the course overview. From here, we can see the course planner link at the top right corner. This link will not show up on a mobile device. Viewing the course planner for Math 2, we click on Chapter 1 link. The system brings up 4 options as shown here. Tanner took the review at the end of the chapter and made 100, so we want to move on. If we choose skip, the system will just skip those lessons on those days, but it won't replace those days with new lessons. In this example, we want those lessons to be replaced so we can move on. Click Skip and Replace. This moves new lessons from Chapter 2 into those school days. Make sure to click on the Save and Reschedule button here, or any changes you make will not be saved. Here in Pre-Cal for Jonathan, we want to move the 2 statistics chapters to the end of the course. Click on the Chapter 10 and 11 links. Using the Move option, we scroll down to an instance of Chapter 12. To the right of those lessons on Chapter 12, a link will appear as you hover over the white area. Here we choose After. Again, click the Save and Reschedule button to save your changes. In the Teacher Edition, the author will give suggestions to help the students visualize the concepts. In Physical Science, in Chapter 6 on page 127, we see a demonstration example offering the students a chance to build a hydrocarbon molecule. These hands-on learning opportunities that you can use to enrich and reinforce the concepts are another example of how you can tailor the course to your students' needs. On this lesson, looking at the assigned work, we want to change the odd portion to even portion. You can simply edit the lesson here. We want to change the instructions like I have done here in both the parent and student box. This allows you the flexibility to choose which problems the student works based on their level of learning. All of these changes to the lesson plans will show in the dashboard and calendar, allowing you to continue to use the Hub. It is now your personalized Hub. You as the parent are in control. No matter which type of course you choose, online, DVD, or textbooks, you have the freedom to change the lesson plans and customize them to your students' needs. The Hub makes it simple, helping you design and plan a great homeschool year.